Hello, welcome to Integrated Science for Grade 5. I hope you enjoyed the previous lesson. In this lesson, we are going to be looking at another topic under materials. Our strand remains diversity of matter, and our substrand still remains materials. Today, our learning indicator is to be able to know that some changes are reversible, while others cannot be reversed. Keywords for today's lesson are reversible, irreversible, substance, original, freezing, appearance. Before we can know about reversible change and irreversible change, we need to know about what a change is. A change in a substance occurs when the substance either gains heat or loses heat. We can also say that a change in a substance occurs when the substance changes form. Now, this one takes us to types of changes. We said there are two types of changes. We have the reversible change and the irreversible change. The reversible change and the irreversible change. A reversible change is a change in which no new substance is formed. A reversible change is a change in which no new substance is formed. The change can be reversed into its original state. You see, examples of reversible changes are melting of candle wax, crumpling of paper, melting of shea butter, heating of water, freezing of water. Now when these changes occur, no new substance is formed. On your screen, you can see a lighted candle. You will all agree with me that this candle will not look this way when it was lighted at first. But as at now, you realize that the candle wax has become short. Now, this is because the wax is melting. Now, as the wax is melting, it doesn't imply that a new substance is formed. It is only the solid wax which has melted into a liquid wax. Now, when this liquid wax is cooled, it will solidify and become a solid wax again. Now, this is a reversed change. On your screen, you can see a crumpled paper. Now, you all agree with me that before, this paper wasn't as rough as this. It was a smooth surfaced flat paper and then crumpled to become this form. Now, as it has been changed to this form, it doesn't mean that a new substance is formed. It still remains a piece of paper. When opened, it will show you that there is no new substance formed. Now, melting of shea butter. Shea butter is considered to be solid in its normal state at room temperature. It is solid. Now, when the shea butter is heated, it becomes a liquid shea butter. Now, when this happens, it doesn't imply that a new substance is formed, because when this shea butter is taken to a cooler place, it will change back to the solid form, telling you that there is no new substance formed. Heating of water. Now, when water is heated, it vaporizes and turns into gas. That is gaseous water. Now, the gaseous water is no new substance. It is still water which has become a gas. Now, when this gaseous water or vaporized water is condensed, it will change to water again. That is liquid water. Freezing of water. You all attest to the fact that when water is put in a freezer, the liquid water becomes a solid water, that is ice, as you can see on your screen. Now, when the water has become a solid water, which is ice, it doesn't also imply that a new substance is formed. All the composition of water still remains intact. Now, when the water is taken out of the freezer and placed at a warm place, you realize that the frozen water or the ice will then melt and become water again. In this case, nothing new is formed. It still remains water as it was. Now this takes us to irreversible change. Now when we say something is irreversible, it means that it can't return to its original state. So therefore, irreversible change is a change in which no new substances are formed. Irreversible change is a change in which new substances are formed. Now the change cannot be reversed to its original state. Now examples of irreversible changes are rusting of iron, burning of charcoal, boiling of egg, burning of paper. Now when these changes occur, new substances are formed. And when new substances are formed, the change cannot be reversed. On your screen you can see rusting of iron, a rusted iron. Now when iron rusts, a new substance is formed, which is known as oxides of iron. Now this cannot be changed to the normal iron because a new substance is formed, and there is no way the oxide of iron can be changed back to the normal metal iron. Burning of charcoal. Now charcoal is made out of wood. Wood is burnt to produce charcoal. Now when this charcoal is produced or are produced, they cannot be changed to wood anymore. Now this new change is irreversible because the charcoal cannot return to wood. Burning of paper. When a piece of paper is burnt, it changes into ash. Now this ash cannot be changed to paper anymore. So with such a change, we say, or we call, an irreversible change, because the ash cannot be changed to the piece of paper anymore. Boiling of egg. You know, egg in its raw state is liquid in its shell. Now when the egg is boiled, you realize that it hardens up and becomes a solid. Now this solid cannot return to the liquid state. Due to this, we say boiling of egg is an irreversible change, because when the egg is changed into solid, it will not return to the liquid state anymore. Thank you. Now this is the end of our topic, reversible and irreversible change. I would like for you to leave a comment if you don't understand anything, and also you can take your textbooks to read on reversible and irreversible change to clarify any challenges you are having. Do well to go through the lesson again and again and again so you can do the test on Friday. See you in our next lesson. Bye bye.